luteal phase is so real. Like, I just have been feeling so ugly the last few days. The decluttering saga continues. So today, you guys, we are tackling my Alex straws, and this I am not that excited about because there is so much stuff in here, and my goal is to get everything out of here that like I don't use on a daily basis, put it into storage, and then transport, what am I, a frigging bus? No. Then transition, move, I can't even think of the word. See, my luteal phase is messing me up. It's making me ugly. It's making me not be able to think straight. Like, I am a hot mess, okay? But I want to then transfer everything that's in my vanity to the Alex straws so that like everything is consolidated. His goal is to go through this entire Alex straws. I'm going to show you some footage as to what we're working with. Go from there and then really just put most of the stuff into storage because I really only use like one main drawer in this entire thing. So with that being said, I think I should really treat myself today with some McDonald's because I'm just kind of like, I'm not spiraling, but I'm definitely like hungry, tired. I didn't go to the gym today because I was like, I need some sleep. My period's kicking my ass. My boobs are super swollen. Like, I'm really going through it right now and I haven't even got my period yet. I woke up with like some breakouts. I need to go through this entire like thing. I'm moving. There's so much happening. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in my mental breakdown and in this declutter, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. When the hair goes into a clip, that's how you know that I'm in business because I never wear my hair up, but when my hair is like this, I mean absolute business. So yes, I'm sitting here in pajama pants because if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this comfortably. So this was like the first 3 drawers of my Alex drawers, so everything else is still in there, but I figured I could go through like what's here first and then go from there. So this is pretty much all of my blushes and stuff like that, so I really need to figure out like what I'm doing. I have an idea of what's already getting tossed and put into storage, but I'm actually just gonna like tell you guys like what's going into storage because I feel like if I explain everything, like every last thing, I'm gonna be here forever. I'm gonna do like trash over here and then I'm gonna do like storage over here. So I'm just gonna kind of like go in that order. So this is going in the trash. This blush from Essence and then this Tower 28 like little dewy thing I've had forever. So going in the trash. This YSL bronzer I'm keeping, so I'm bringing that with me. This from Junk Elephant, I have been like trying to figure out a reason why I need this mirror. I don't, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Then we have this little mini tear thing, which is like that viral cushion foundation. I personally am not like super into it like everybody else. Like I am and I'm not. I just think it's honestly really heavy on the skin, so I think I'm gonna give this to one of my friends actually. We have all of these liquid blushes. Now, most of them I am gonna bring with me because I'm literally, for the next 6 months, I'm not gonna be, or like, I hope it's not 6 months, but it's gonna be like at least 3 or 4 months. I'm not gonna be using one liquid blush. Like, I just don't have it in me. I literally look like a mess right now, but it's okay, it's okay. So all the liquid blushes that I'm keeping, I mean, are Rare Beauty, Giorgio Armani. Like, these are just like my staples. So I'm gonna keep pretty much like all of them with me because I don't wanna put them into storage. So I'm just gonna put them all aside for right now because those are what I'm gonna keep. So I'm pretty much just like sorting through like what's coming with me, like what's staying in the Alex drawer and then what's going into storage and then what's going into trash. So that's kind of like the vibe. So all of those blushes are like staying. We have these like little mini ones that I'm keeping too. So anything that's Rare Beauty is essentially staying. Then we have these Milk Jelly cooling tints, and these I'm gonna bring because I know that these will probably expire between now and the next time. This is my Dibs contour stick, one of my favorites of life, so I'm keeping that. From Juvia's Place, and even though I do like these, I'm kind of like boycotting them because I've seen that they're not paying creators, which is like crazy to me. So they're actually not even getting donated, they're getting thrown out. Then we have the Huda Beauty liquid blush. Liquid blushes, I think for the most part, I am going to keep. So we're gonna keep this Hoola bronzer. This Benefit blush, I'm actually gonna give like away to my friends. I'm gonna put that on the side. The Giorgio Armani powder blushes I'm bringing with me because I just absolutely love them. This RMS bronzer, bringing with me. The Makeup Forever powder foundation, taking. Kosas blush, taking. Benefit cookie highlighter, taking. This from Basma is a cream blush and I really like it, but it's kind of old, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Oh, this is another highlighter. Yeah, I'm going to keep both of these from Benefit. This is a Too Faced Candlelit highlighter, and this is kind of iconic, so I'm going to put this into storage. This is the ColourPop Cream Blush. I'm going to keep it. This is Patrick Ta. She's Flushed. This I'm going to put into storage because I never reach for that. This is the It Cosmetics Cream Blush, and I do like this, but honestly, I don't need it, so I'm going to give it to my friends. This is just iconic. This is the Mary Luminizer by The Balm, the highlighter, if you know, you know. So the camera stopped recording, and I don't know where it left off, but so far we have like a pile for storage, a pile that I'm taking, and all of that. So I was in the middle of talking about this NARS powder when I realized this NARS powder is the Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder, and honestly, like, I think I liked it when I tried it, but I don't reach for it ever, so I'm gonna throw it out. Like, I'm really gonna try to be stern in this video and get rid of a lot of stuff that I just don't need. This is the Catrice Blush Affair Duo, which I love, so I'm gonna keep that. This is the Kosas Pink Powder, which I do like and then I don't like, so I don't know, I think I'm gonna put this into storage. Then we have this Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm actually going to give this to my mom because she loves Wet n Wild. We have this Magic Shaper contour set from Catrice, and honestly, it's like a dupe for the Makeup Forever one, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to put this into storage for now. This is the Patrick Ta, the cream foundation, and honestly, I really wanted to like this, but I don't. And I've had this for years now, and I keep putting off throwing it out, so I'm officially throwing this out, okay? This is going into the trash. This is the Rare Beauty Contour Stick, and I actually didn't even know I had another one of these. So this, I'm gonna keep. This is the Essence Liquid Blush, and honestly, I'm gonna put this into storage. This is the Fenty Beauty, what is this called? The Hot Cheeks Velour Blush Lighter, and I do like this, but I think my friend would really, really like this, so I'm going to put this aside to give to her. I have this Becca little highlighter. This is, what shade is this? Oh, Champagne Pop. Oh my god, I have to keep this. This is going to go into storage. It's just iconic. This is the Easy Bake Huda Beauty Pressed Powder that honestly was a big flop in my opinion. I don't really like this, so I'm going to throw this out. This NYX powder blush, I'm going to give to my friend because it's a very vibrant shade and I don't reach for it that much. I'm going to give it to her. Lottie London keeping. This Tower 28 powder, I don't really love it the way that everybody else loves it, but I do like it for different reasons. So I'm going to keep this. I know that was really confusing, but it's fine. This Milani, what is this? The cream bronzer. I really like this, but honestly, it's so old, it kind of grosses me out. So I'm going to get rid of this, honestly. I need to get rid of stuff, you guys. I know you guys are probably like, why are you getting rid of so much or whatever, but I do need to get rid of a lot of stuff. Like, it's time that I do. This is an RMS powdered blush, which I'm actually going to put into storage. This is an REM Beauty powdered blush as well. This I'm going to keep. This House Labs blush I'm taking with me, of course. This is another RMS Beauty blush. I'm going to keep it. I love it. Charlotte powder, keeping. NYX blush, keeping. A bunch of Rare Beauty powders I'm keeping. These are like the blushes and stuff. I don't want to put them in storage because they are very delicate and I don't trust anybody to move my stuff, so I need to be in control of it. This is the House Labs Dragon Fruit Days powder blush. I love this, but I'm going to put this into storage. Rare Beauty pressed powder, keeping. Another Rare Beauty liquid blush, keeping. Liquid highlighter, keeping. So this stuff over here is coming with me. This stuff is getting thrown out, and then this stuff is going with my friends. So that's done. Now we're gonna get into like what's over here. This is gonna be really easy for me because I think most of it is either getting like in the trash or like into storage. So you guys, I literally look like such a bum. I can't even take myself. Okay, these I actually just bought these. These are the Paw Paw sponges. I love them. They're coming with me. These Chanel powders, honestly, you guys, I haven't used them in so long. I'm not going to throw them out, but I am going to give them to my friends to see if they want to use them. Maybe I'll keep one of them. I think I'll keep the lighter shade. I'll keep this one, and I'll give this to my friends, see if they want it. We have some Mighty Patches, which I didn't even know I had. Are these new? Yes! Wow, I had no clue I had these. Okay, so these obviously keeping. This is a Wet n Wild loose powder. I have not used this in so long, but I am going to give this to my mom because I think she would love it. This Hourglass powder I never ever use. I've tried to like it so many times, I don't. So I am going to put this aside for my friends to see if they want it. These from Naturium I absolutely love, so I am going to take these with me. Travel or something. They're tinted SPF and then their SPF 50 lotion I do love, so I'm going to take that with me. These, from not from Catrice, from P. Louise. I absolutely hate this. This is this, what is this called? The cream bronzer, whatever. I did not think that this was easy to blend. It was so hard to use. I actually really hate this, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This I do like, but I honestly like never really reach for it, so I'm gonna give this to my friends, see if they want it. These blushes from Koki, I just recently gotten PR, so I am gonna put these into storage because I will definitely use these at some point, but right now I don't need them because I have all these other blushes. So I think I'm gonna keep one of them with me. I'm gonna keep this one, Sweetheart, just in case I run out of other blushes. At least I'll have that for now. These are little Dr. Dennis tanning AHA, BHA pads. I don't need these. I'm gonna give these to my friends. These though, the Dr. Dennis daily peel pads are coming with me because I'm not gonna use these for months, so I'm gonna bring those. These liquid blushes from Catrice, I am gonna bring with me. I have more from P. Louise. Honestly, you guys, P. Louise isn't like my favorite brand. Like, I really wanna like their stuff, but I just don't. We have these powders, and honestly, I'm gonna put these into storage. I'm not gonna get rid of them, but I definitely don't need to bring them with me. And we have this Hourglass ambient lighting strobe palette, which is iconic, so I'm gonna put this into storage. This RMS powder I don't use. I am gonna give it to my friends though. Maybe one of them will use it. I don't know. These ColourPop cream blushes. My sister's gonna watch this and be like, bitch, why are you not giving all those to me? No, I definitely really love these, so I'm gonna keep them. I'm not gonna keep them with me, I don't think. I think maybe I'll keep like one of them. I don't even know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put them into storage for now. This is a blush from Lancome that my Nana gave me years ago, and even though I never use it, it's very special to me, so I'm gonna put it into storage for now. This is the Kylie Cosmetics You're Perfect powder. You guys, I wish she would bring this back because this powder was honestly such a good powder. I'm just looking at my under eyes. I'm checking out my makeup, seeing how everything's looking. Everything actually looks great today. But this, I'm gonna put into storage because it's just iconic. I just can't see myself getting rid of it. These jelly tints from Milk, I'm gonna put into storage as well because I definitely don't need all of these with me. These are a bunch of Dr. Dennis retinol pads. I love these. So these I'm gonna keep with me. Hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I think I'm gonna, I don't know you guys. I don't know what I wanna do. Do I wanna keep this? I think I'm gonna keep it with me. And then this is some more retinol. I'm actually gonna keep it with me because I am running out of my current one. So I'm gonna bring that. My lashes, we know I'm keeping. These are my favorite things of life. This is my Dr. Dennis Gross, like the little Iron Man, the red mask thing. I have the eye one and I have this one and I absolutely love it. So I'm not gonna be doing red light therapy for 6 months. So this I am definitely keeping and bringing with me. One, which is just the eye one, I will put into storage because I will eventually use this. I'm not gonna use this, but for now, I don't need it taking up space. So this one I'll put into storage because I do love this one too. But for now, I'm going to put it into storage. My mom is going to watch this and be like, why don't you just give it to me? Because she's begging me for one of these. But no, I absolutely love them. So this I'm going to put into storage for now. And this Kylie powder, I used to love this. It's expired. I'm just going to get rid of it because there's literally no need for it. So this is done. So that's actually really cool. Let me get the PR that's in here out of there because that's all probably going into storage. So let me do that and I'll be right back. This is essentially like the PR and stuff that was in the Alex drawers. So some of the stuff obviously was mine and whatever. So this is a dry bar wand, which I'm going to put into storage. These are, this mirror, you guys, I bought this and I've never used it. So I'm going to throw that out. These are actually so iconic. These are the Too Faced like chocolate bar and like the Natural Matte palette. The Natural Matte palette is so special to me because my boyfriend bought this for me. I remember when this came out and I wasn't going to buy it and then he surprised me and bought it for me. And I just love this color story, and if they relaunch this, I would definitely buy it again. But I'm not going to get rid of it because it means so much. This is the Too Faced chocolate bar, and you guys, this is just so iconic to have. So these are staples, so I'm going to put those into storage. Like, that's totally fine. Okay, let's get into this. These are moisturizers. I'm going to give these to my friends because I never use them. This is the Professional Setting Spray from Benefit. I'm going to put that into storage. This is the Briogeo, what is this called? The Sculpting Cream. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know if I'll use this. Maybe I'll see if my boyfriend wants to use this when he styles his hair. I doubt it, but whatever. We have this All About That Cheddar, which is actually like a brow gel and a brow pencil. So I love this from Benefit, so I'm going to take this with me. These are Make Beauty shadows, you guys, and I absolutely love these. Like, are you kidding me? Have you ever seen a shadow that looks like that? I don't trust these in storage because they are like very fragile. So these I'm gonna take with me because I just don't want anything to happen to them because I love these. So yeah, these are so good. Oh, I love them so much. So this is from Smashbox. This is their Halo palette. I honestly, you guys, I've never used this and I really don't know why. So this I might take with me. I don't know. I don't know. I might take it with me. Not sure. We have an Alley Oop concealer. I'm going to give this to my friends, see if they want it. We have Naturium SPF 50, which honestly, with the summer coming, I'm going to put these into storage because I can definitely use those. This is the Briogeo Style and Treat Sleek Stick. I'm going to put this in storage too because I don't need it with me right now. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I will at some point need this, so I'm going to take this with me. Naturium Cleansing Balm. I'm sure over the next few months I will need a cleansing balm, so I'm going to take that. The Naturium Glow Getter Body Oil. I'm going to take this because I love the Glow Getter line. Mario Badescu Lip Mask and what is this called? Lip Balm. I'm taking this with me. I'm taking it out of the box and I'm taking it with me because I don't know why we were like told to not like Mario Badescu, but lately I have been loving all of their stuff. So I'm going to take that stuff with me. We have a Cabana Glow from Naked Sundays SPF 50. I'm going to put this into storage for now. We have a Little Milk Makeup. What is this? The Sheer Blush and Cheek Color. I'm going to give this to my friends. They can fight over it, whatever. Then we have the Naturium Dew Glow Moisturizer. I'm going to put this into storage for now. We have a mascara from Pacifica. I don't necessarily need more mascara, so I'm going to give this to my friends. This is an Alley Oop Lip Gold Glossy Balm. I'm going to give that to my friends as well. This is a Little Kokie shadow, which I don't need a liquid shadow, so I'm going to throw that out because I don't think anybody I know will use it. This blush from Dibs. You guys, if you know, you know, I loved the Dibs baked blushes, and this is in the shade Spice Gal, and I haven't even used this yet, but I'm so excited to, so I'm actually I think I'm going to take this with me. Oh, we have another cookie highlighter from Benefit, which I don't necessarily need right now, so I'm going to put this into storage. We have these Garnier Micellar cleansing pads, which honestly, I think, hold on, Thor is crying because he wants to come upstairs. So 1 minute. Yes, you're so stinky. Daddy is not here yet. Daddy is not home yet. You are such a stink. Daddy is coming home. He's not home yet. You're being an investigator, Sheeb. Okay, you can sniff. Anything I'm doing, he always has to be involved in. He's like, Mom, what is this? Please. He's knocking everything over right now. You're being a baby. Oh, you gotta sniff everything here? Okay, sniff. Sniff. Okay. So then we have this box from Lancome, which has a ton of PR in it, which I'm actually keeping all of it. So we have a Lancome SPF. We have this ingrown hair serum from Kiehl's, which I'm really excited for. That's like if you get wax and stuff, which I plan on starting to do more often, but I just haven't got around to it yet. A Lancome serum, which I'm keeping. This Lancome mascara primer. Hey, this is just all going to go into storage, so I'm going to also fill this up. Oh, this is a Kiehl's cream to powder deodorant too, so I'm going to keep that as well. This is a Naked Sundays brush for their SPF. So a lot of the stuff that I'm putting into storage that's PR, I'm going to try to fit in here as well. Right, Mama? We're moving on. Are we moving? Are you so excited? If you want to stay here, that's fine with me. That's fine with me. That's fine with me. I think the people will like it if you stay here too. It's your baby goose. Hey guys, so that completes this video. I'm so happy that I was able to do this. I pretty much got everything done, like with the vanity stuff that I need to get done. Only thing I need to do is just move my skincare from the vanity to the Alex drawers, and then everything will be pretty much done, which is amazing. That completes like this part of like the makeup, like decluttering. I'm so happy that I was able to get all of this done. This feels like such a relief. Now I just need to go and get bins and stuff and start putting everything like into storage. But let me know if you guys have liked these last two videos. Last week I did a whole other like declutter of my vanity. Thank you guys for being on like this journey with me. I'm so excited to show you guys like what the house is gonna look like. I don't know if I've said it yet, but we are gonna be doing like a renovation, so we will be moving back into this house. It's just gonna be renovated and whatnot. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.